If you have been involved in a truck accident in Dallas, Texas, you must seek the advice of a qualified and experienced truck wreck lawyer in Dallas. Due to the size and weight of these industrial vehicles, truck accidents can result in significant casualties and property damage. To negotiate the legal complications and preserve your rights, you must have a lawyer that specializes in truck collision cases and has a thorough understanding of the laws and regulations that regulate the trucking business. A professional truck collision lawyer in Dallas is well versed in federal and state regulations governing commercial trucking. They are familiar with the rules that apply to truck drivers, such as hours of service, adequate maintenance, weight restrictions, and licensing requirements. With this particular knowledge, they can properly assess the circumstances of the accident and identify probable culpability. One of the major benefits of hiring a truck collision lawyer in Dallas is their ability to perform a thorough investigation. They have access to resources and expertise who can help them collect critical evidence such as accident reports, witness accounts, vehicle maintenance records, and data from onboard systems. They can demonstrate liability and determine the cause of the accident by gathering this information, whether it was due to driver negligence, mechanical failure, or other circumstances. A knowledgeable truck wreck lawyer in Dallas understands the devastation that these accidents can cause for victims and their families. They will work hard to determine the full extent of your losses, including medical expenditures, lost wages, pain and suffering, property damage, and long-term rehabilitation requirements. They will also take into account the emotional and psychological toll of the accident, ensuring that you obtain fair and appropriate compensation that adequately reflects your losses. A truck collision lawyer in Dallas will also have vast expertise working with insurance companies and other parties involved. Trucking businesses and their insurers frequently use strong legal teams to safeguard their interests. It is critical to have a lawyer that is knowledgeable with their methods and bargaining strategies to guarantee that your rights are protected during the settlement process. Your lawyer will expertly handle every communication and negotiation on your behalf, fighting for your best interests and pushing for reasonable recompense. If a reasonable settlement cannot be reached, a skilled truck collision lawyer in Dallas is ready to take your case to court. They will methodically prepare your case, recruit expert witnesses as needed, and present a compelling argument before a judge and jury. Their courtroom expertise and legal skills will be crucial in obtaining the highest possible compensation and keeping the responsible parties accountable for their acts. When looking for a truck collision lawyer in Dallas, look for someone who has a demonstrated track record of accomplishment and a reputation for expertise. Look for a truck collision lawyer or legal firm with considerable expertise in handling comparable cases and a track record of producing good outcomes for their clients. Personal recommendations, web reviews, and professional qualifications can all help you discover the proper lawyer to fight for your rights and get you the justice and recompense you deserve. Finally, if you have been involved in a truck accident in Dallas, Texas, it is critical that you seek the advice of a qualified and experienced truck wreck lawyer in Dallas. They have the knowledge, expertise, and resources to manage these difficulties and protect your rights. With their assistance, you can gather critical evidence, negotiate with insurance companies, and, if necessary, go to court to seek the reimbursement you deserve. By hiring a professional truck wreck attorney, you are taking an important step toward obtaining justice and reconstructing your life after a horrific accident.